Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a natural wonder that most people totally overlook. You might know and love the sweet, juicy guava fruit, but what if I told you the true superpower of this plant lies not in its fruit, but in its humble leaves? That's right, we're talking about guava leaves. These incredible green gems are packed with an arsenal of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and natural healing properties that can seriously level up your health. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to boost your well-being, you're in the absolute right place. Most of us have no idea just how potent these leaves are. They're like a hidden treasure chest of wellness. From protecting your heart to cleansing your lungs and even supporting your liver, guava leaves are a natural medicine cabinet waiting to be discovered. So, grab a comfy seat, because today we're uncovering the shocking benefits of guava leaves and why you should absolutely consider adding them to your daily routine. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be looking at guava trees with a whole new appreciation. First off, let's talk about what makes these leaves so powerful. Guava leaves are absolutely bursting with incredible compounds like quercetin, lycopene, vitamin C, and a whole host of flavonoids. These aren't just fancy words. These are the warriors that fight off harmful free radicals in your body, protecting your cells and organs from damage. Think of them as your body's personal security detail, constantly on patrol, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, let's get into some of the mind-blowing benefits, starting with an organ that's constantly working hard for you, your lungs. Did you know that guava leaves can dramatically improve lung health? This is huge for so many of us, especially with all the environmental challenges we face. If you're someone who struggles with a persistent cough, excess phlegm, asthma, or even breathing issues caused by pollution or yes, even smoking, guava leaves offer a soothing embrace to your respiratory system. They work by helping to calm irritation, reduce uncomfortable mucus buildup, and open up those airways, making breathing feel a whole lot easier. Imagine taking a deep, clear breath without that nagging congestion. Regular consumption of warm guava leaf tea can really help detoxify your lungs, reduce inflammation within the delicate tissues, and significantly improve oxygen flow throughout your entire body. It's like giving your lungs a much-needed spa day, allowing them to function more efficiently and keep you feeling light and energized. This natural remedy has been cherished for generations in many cultures for its ability to clear and protect the lungs. And it's time we all learned about its incredible potential. But the wonders of guava leaves don't stop there. Prepare to be amazed by their powerful, yet often overlooked, effect on your liver. Our liver is a true unsung hero, tirelessly working day in and day out to detoxify our blood, metabolize nutrients, and process pretty much everything we eat and drink. However, our modern lifestyles, with fatty foods, occasional alcohol, and various environmental toxins, can really put a strain on this vital organ, leading to damage over time. This is where guava leaves step in as a fantastic ally. They play a crucial role in helping to reduce fatty buildup in the liver, a common issue that can lead to more serious conditions. Beyond that, they promote better enzyme activity, which is essential for all the liver's complex functions, and actively protect precious liver cells from damage. But wait, there's more. Guava leaves also do wonders for your digestive system. They boost overall digestion, help alleviate uncomfortable bloating, and even prevent constipation. And guess what? A healthy digestive system means less stress on your liver, allowing it to focus on its crucial detoxifying tasks more effectively. So, by nurturing your gut, you're also giving your liver a huge helping hand. It's a win-win for your internal health. Now, let's talk about an organ that's literally at the heart of your well-being, your cardiovascular system. Your heart also reaps tremendous benefits from guava leaves. These remarkable leaves are like a natural wellness coach for your heart. They help regulate blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels and improving overall blood circulation. Think of it as easing the pathways for blood to flow smoothly and efficiently throughout your body. They're also rich in potassium and those mighty antioxidants we talked about earlier. Why is this important? Because these components work together to help lower bad cholesterol, known as LDL, and simultaneously boost good cholesterol, HDL. This balancing act is crucial because it helps prevent the dreaded plaque buildup in your arteries, which is a major risk factor for serious heart conditions. By keeping your arteries clear and flexible, guava leaves significantly reduce your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure. And here's a pro tip for maximizing these heart-healthy benefits. Drinking guava leaf tea on an empty stomach in the morning can be particularly effective. It's believed to help stabilize blood sugar levels, which in turn contributes to long-term heart health. It's an easy, natural addition to your morning routine that can make a profound difference for your heart over time. So, you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually use these magical leaves? Good news, preparing guava leaf tea is incredibly simple. You don't need any fancy equipment or exotic ingredients. Here's how you do it. First, gather about 5 to 7 fresh or dried guava leaves. If you're picking them fresh, make sure they're clean and free from any pesticides. Give them a good wash under running water to ensure they're spotless. Next, take these clean leaves and add them to about 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 10 minutes. This allows all those wonderful compounds to infuse into the water. Once it's done simmering, take it off the heat and let it cool down just a little bit. It should be warm, not scalding hot. Finally, strain the tea to remove the leaves, and your nourishing guava leaf tea is ready to drink. For the best results, try to incorporate this tea into your daily routine. A common recommendation is to drink 1 cup in the morning, perhaps on an empty stomach to kickstart your day, and another cup before you head to bed. This helps your body absorb the benefits throughout the day and night. If the natural taste isn't quite your cup of tea, pun intended, you can always enhance it. A spoonful of natural honey can add a touch of sweetness and comes with its own health benefits. Or, for a zesty twist and an extra boost of vitamin C, squeeze in a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Both additions can make the tea even more enjoyable and beneficial. So, the next time you spot a guava tree, don't just admire its delicious fruit. Take a moment to appreciate the true powerhouse that resides in its leaves. From cleansing your lungs and supporting your respiratory health, to helping your liver detoxify and protecting your precious heart. Guava leaves are truly a natural medicine cabinet, often hiding in plain sight. They are a testament to the incredible healing power of nature, offering a simple yet profound way to enhance your well-being. Why wait? Start incorporating this incredible natural remedy into your life today, and let nature do its amazing magic from within. You'll be glad you did. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found this information as fascinating and inspiring as I did. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of guava leaves, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips and wellness insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below and let us know if you've ever tried guava leaves or if you're planning to. Your support means the world to us. See you in the next video.